If you see a brother standing by the roadside, carrying burdens he can no longer hide. If you see your sister losing her way, stop her gently, say what you need to say.
Sa posulukin brata, emi sana plongrod. Heavy belong, and be strong to my long bell. Suppose you looking sister, and me put a long way. Doki me missy sister, sure you know can go long road. You got to try a little kindness, yeah, show a little kindness. Let your light shine bright for all to see. When you try a little kindness, you rise above the blindness of narrow hearts walking blindly in the street. Try me Liklik Pasin belong sorry, swim Liklik with Pilabel. Shining light belong you and me like no one gets up on every time you swim Liklik Kindness you buy with him. Pasin belong, pasin nahi, no one merito. Sabi sa long road. Don't walk past the broken and leave. Don't turn away when the helpless speak. Give your hand instead of shame. We are all one, just different names. No can losing money, please stop counting. No can give him backside long money cry. Holy man belong and one time sorry. You me all get that one fella to soul. Try a little kindness, Liklik Pasin. Show a little kindness, and it up lost anything more. Let your light shine. Oh, Samson, and make it up long man. Kindness by thinking up, but I hope long will get done. Liklik Kindness, brata na sister, so ingot pela pelo get that day. By you me walk about, no one belong like na belly see.